Twitter has not yet acknowledged the outage or provided any explanation for the cause of the problem. Thousands of users took to the microblogging site to share their experiences. This is the third time that the platform is facing an outage. Zoomerang, a mobile app for making videos, has introduced 2 AI features. Deform generates mesmerizing animations by generating a sequence of images from a single one. Restyle applies a chosen style to a video, altering its appearance but keeping its content intact. Humane, the hardware startup that's best known for working on mysterious AI-powered devices in stealth mode, on Friday announced a new device called the AI Pin. The wearable is clothing-based and uses a range of sensors to enable contextual and ambient compute interactions. Humane is also collaborating with Qualcomm Technologies to meet the device's processing needs. We have known for about a century that the universe is expanding. We're still not sure how fast it is expanding and how quickly different celestial objects are moving away from each other. Now, astronomers are proposing a way to use gravitational waves to help get a more accurate measurement of the universe's expansion. Apple Inc.'s stock market value ended a trading session above $3 trillion for the first time on Friday. The milestone follows the June 5 launch of a pricey augmented reality headset. Recent gains in Apple's shares have outpaced analysts' estimates for the company's future earnings. Twitter will now require users to have an account on the social media platform to view tweets. Users who try to view content on the platform will be asked to sign up for an account or log into an exiting account to see their favorite tweets. Twitter has also begun charging users to access its Application Programming Interface (API). Nokia said on Friday it had signed a new long-term patent license agreement with Apple. Current license between the companies expires at the end of 2023. While terms of the agreement remain confidential between the companies, it covers Nokia's inventions in 5G and other technologies. The Belkin Soundform Mini has a very simple on-ear headphone design. There is a 3.5mm port too, in case you want to go wired. The cable in the box comes with a remote inbuilt. The audio was good, but not as loud as I am used to. Ingenuity is a small solar-powered helicopter that landed on the Martian surface on February 18, 2021, along with the Perseverance rover. On April 26, NASA mission controllers lost contact with the helicopter when it descended towards the surface for landing. The rover acts as an information relay between the helicopter and mission controllers on Earth. The James Webb Space Telescope turned its attention towards Saturn on June 25 for the first near-infrared observations of the ringed planet. While the planet itself appears a little dark in the image, its characteristic rings are quite bright. The icy rings reflect a lot of the light, creating the sharp contrast that can be seen in the image.